Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Raksha Bandhan look. This is going to be a very practical look. For that I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. So earlier 310 जो शेड था वो मेरे फेस से मैच नहीं कर रहा था because I was so tanned, but now it is matching to my skin. नॉट दैट मच बट फिर भी ये शेड ठीक है. और ये जो फाउंडेशन है बहुत ही लाइट वेट है तो इसीलिए मैंने ये यूज़ किया है. देन आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस वेट एंड वाइल्ड कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ डुओ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द बनाना पाउडर. आई एम गोइंग टू सेट माई अंडर आइज एंड द एरिया नियर माई माउथ because that is where I sweat a lot. Now I'm going to use the contour side. Now this product is very beginner friendly and also very pocket friendly, so you can use this one instead of going for a compact powder and a bronzer separately. And by the way, I am in the shade caramel, and if you see I am just going to contour my face. Now for blush I'm going to use this Faces Canada Glam On blush in the shade Cocktail Peach. So आज मैंने कोई highlighter use नहीं किया है because I just want the natural sort of glow, because yes, I really don't like to apply a lot of highlighter at daytime. So this has a little bit of sheen which is perfect for that look. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. Now as usual I'm going to use this Europe Girl Paris eyebrow palette. It is very easy, convenient and very cheap also. So yes, I really like this particular eyebrow palette. It has 3 shades and it will work for any type of eyebrow, so you can give this product a try. Also it has a spoolie and a brush at one end, the applicator of the product. Now here is a twist. I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow today. I'm just going to apply this glitter eyeliner. This is a bronze glitter eyeliner by Swiss Beauty, and amazing eyeliner guys, like really amazing. I really like Swiss Beauty eye products. They have done really good work with their eye products. Now for that pop of color I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Turquoise. So this is going to give me a pop of color. It is a very pretty greenish sort of color which looks really good on Indian skin tone. So I have just used these 2 products on my eyes today. And now to finish it off I'm going to use mascara, and I'm going to use loads of mascara because yeah, I really like the look of a mascara. I'm going to use this Maybelline Sensational mascara. Really love this mascara. One mascara if you have to buy this one. Yes, and take your time to apply the mascara properly. Now going to apply this lipstick, and I will mention the shade on the screen. Don't remember this shade right now, but this is one of my favorite ranges from Sugar Cosmetics. Actually this is one of my favorite liquid lipstick also. The formula and everything is so pretty, and the color you can see, it is really pretty color, really complements my skin tone. And yeah, I just love applying this. And this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. Let me know what you feel about this particular makeup look. Very easy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, happy Raksha Bandhan guys. And I have paired this look with this particular suit. It has a palazzo, and yeah, this is a green color which really complements my skin tone. Let me know what you guys are wearing, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Till then, you guys take care, bye bye, and love you guys loads.